In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable event monitoring in Salesforce tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm it's working, so you can start tracking important activity across your org with confidence. First, make sure you're logged in with administrator level access, since only admins can change monitoring settings. In the Salesforce interface, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. Click it and choose Open Advanced Setup. In many orgs, this area is simply called Setup, so if you see Setup instead, that's the right place. This takes you to the admin console where we'll adjust system settings. Once you're in the Setup area, use the search bar on the left to find what you need quickly. Type Event Monitoring Settings, then select it from the results. This page controls whether event data is captured for analysis. Event monitoring helps you understand what's happening in your org, things like logins, API calls, report exports, and other user interactions, so you can improve security, troubleshoot issues, and track adoption. On the Event Monitoring Settings page, enable the feature. You'll typically see a toggle or checkbox. Turn it on and confirm any prompts that appear. If you see a Save button, go ahead and save. That's all you need to do here. The system will start recording supported events from this point forward. Keep in mind, depending on your edition and licensing, certain event types may vary, and it can take a short time for new data to show up. After enabling, you'll be able to track events on the Event Manager. This is where you can view and explore the activity that Salesforce captures. Use it to filter by date ranges, event types, or users, and drill into details to answer questions like who exported a report, when a login occurred, or which API client accessed data. If you don't see immediate results, wait a few minutes and try again. Event data often populates on a short delay. Also, note your org's time zone settings so timestamps line up with your expectations. If you had trouble finding the settings, double-check spelling in the search bar and make sure you're in the setup area opened from the gear icon. If the option doesn't appear, verify that you have the necessary permissions and that your org's edition includes event monitoring. And there you go. That's all it takes. Click the gear, open Advanced Setup, search for Event Monitoring Settings, enable it, and start tracking activity in Event Manager. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the visibility and control that event monitoring brings to your Salesforce org.